If you're in the mood to pack your bags, don't call your wife that, and head somewhere special to really get into the holiday spirit, we've got just your ticket.
Yeah, we call them ho-ho holiday destinations.
And here to reveal where they are is senior travel editor for Orbitz.com, Janine Tornatore.
Hello, Janine.
Hi.
How are
With
you,
the best hair in the world today.
Thank
Yes,
you.
indeed.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got a list of places to go. You say a very charming old city in Canada.
Yeah,
Is it
Quebec City.
It's
This is
beautiful.
a 400-year-old walled city, French-speaking. When you step inside the walls of the old city, you feel like you're in this European
You feel like
Christmas
you're in Paris.
destination. It is beautiful.
Look at that.
There's all these charming neighborhoods with twinkling lights, choirs singing. They have an outdoor ice skating rink. They even have a German Christmas market. And you can take guided tours that are Christmas food tour or Christmas traditions tour throughout the city. So it's just a beautiful way
And what
to
about
see the
Canadians
holidays.
are so sweet, too. They're very, very
Can we
hospitable
expect
people.
snow? Is it around this time?
It's always snowy there. There's some
Always.
great ski resorts outside of the city, so all around a fantastic
Beautiful. Good
getaway.
idea.
All right, next up, Philadelphia.
Yeah, you know, for the big city Christmas, you know, we know New York and Chicago are fabulous,
Yeah.
but Philly is right up there with the iconic traditions and a lot of new festivities as well. They have their River Rink Winterfest, which is the outdoor ice skating rink. There's the Macy's Light Show, which is a long-running tradition in city center.
Look how pretty
They
that
have
is.
their own German-inspired Christmas market there, and they top it off on New Year's Eve. They have a fantastic fireworks celebration over the waterfront, and then on New Year's Day, their Mummers Day Parade, which is really
yeah.
a must-see.
Can't beat a
Fantastic.
good Mummers Parade.
That's
All
right.
right, heading south to North
Andrew
Carolina.
does that every year.
Asheville, North Carolina is a hot spot.
Yeah, the Appalachians.
I love it
Aren't
there.
they?
Beautiful.
It's so
Oh, it's
beautiful.
beautiful in
It's so
Asheville.
beautiful. And Asheville is such a charming little town. I'll start with the Biltmore Estate, which first opened its doors to guests on Christmas Eve 1895.
Wow.
And you'll see over 60 huge decorated trees, hundreds of poinsettias, garland everywhere. They have their candlelight Christmas evenings where you can take these tours of the estate, and it's all candlelit music, fireplaces. It's gorgeous. And then in Asheville, there's the National Gingerbread Competition. This is at another historic resort, the Omni Grove Park Inn, which is beautiful too. There's over 150 creations that you can browse.
Gorgeous.
And then they have a rock climbing Santa that you can catch a few times during the month who does his descents. And really what's great is it's a little artist community. So there's so much wonderful, unique shopping here, kind of that bohemian spirit mixed with the craftsmanship of the Appalachians,
Right.
and it's just gorgeous.
Another sweet spot, Kansas City, Missouri. Beautiful place.
I think this is a little underrated, one of
Yeah.
those towns in the Midwest that has a lot going on. They have their historic Spanish-style Country Club Plaza, which is beautiful. It has over 15 blocks of 120 different stores, but what's magical about it during Christmas is that it's all outlined in 80 miles of Christmas lights, so it's really beautiful
Wow.
to see. There's also the restored Union Station, which has its holiday train village and Polar Express pajama parties. The city market transforms into a Whoville. There's even a Cindy Lou Who lookalike contest. And then Crown Center, which we saw the beautiful ice skating rink, which is
Yeah.
celebrating its 42nd year. Lots going on in this
Warm
town.
weather if you want a little bit of warmth. Scottsdale, Arizona is a good spot.
it might
always good.
surprise you how many
Yeah.
holiday traditions there are here. You know, trains are big for kids during holidays. They have their own version of the Polar Express here where they take you to see Santa through the desert in the nighttime. It's very magical. There's also the Zoo Lights has their own spectacular light celebration there. And the big thing here is at the Fairmont Princess Scottsdale where they have the big Christmas at the Princess Festival, which we're seeing a lot of pictures of now. A 4-story musical tree. They have a desert ice skating rink outside, a magical snowfall, carousel, train rides for kids.
You make everything sound wonderful.
Yeah, you do.
It is that
Thanks,
Christmas,
Janine.
though.
Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
You
Happy
too.
Christmas to you, honey. And we're going to be right back with more of Today on NBC.